Welcome back to the Python programming course. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Jupyter Lab development environment. As described on Jupyter.org website, Jupyter Lab is the web-based interactive development environment for notebooks, code, and data. Its flexible interface allows users to configure and arrange workflows in data science, scientific computing, computational journalism, and machine learning. It is also great for quick Python prototyping and can be used as an alternative Python IDE. We are going to start by activating Python Tutorial Virtual Environment. If you need help on Python virtual environments, please refer to previous video on how to set one up on Raspberry Pi and Windows. Next, we are going to use pip, the package installer for Python, to install the Jupyter Lab package. This can take a few moments to run. Now create a folder to contain your development projects. For example, dev subfolder in your user home. Change inside the dev folder and launch Jupyter Lab by typing Jupyter-Lab command. A browser will automatically open and load the Jupyter Lab web interface. Next, let's create Python tutorial subfolder inside our dev directory. Now, go inside Python tutorial folder and create a new Python 3 notebook. Notebook is a kind of development page containing multiple code cells. There are many things you can do with cells, such as run each cell individually or all at once. Jupyter Lab also supports advanced features such as debugging, making it very similar to a full-fledged IDE. You can now click inside the first code cell and type print hello world command, as can be seen on screen. Run the cell by clicking the Run button. The program output will appear right below. Congratulations! You have written your first Python program. To finish, it's good to know one useful trick. Click Shift+Tab. This will enable code autocomplete. To test autocomplete, begin typing from datetime import, then click Tab key. You should see a list of code suggestions. If you found this video useful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe buttons to stay tuned and to be notified of new video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.